Hi, this is Mike from Creative Ventures. We've got a wonderful sponsor, Proxxon, who has sent us the FET table saw. We're going to go ahead and open this up, see what's actually inside this box. They were wonderful enough to send us some saw blades and stuff like that. So let's get this bad boy open and see what we got. So actually, it is huge. Get this thing flipped over. Yeah, I love that sound. Alright, so there she is. Proxxon table saw. So I'm going to get this thing all unwrapped and get all the pieces out and see what we actually have. Be right back.